We are back in the kitchen here at the Hanson's home. Hello, my darling. Where's your goggles? Go and put your glasses on. Show people.
Can I just add it's different in the kitchen today because I have a frame up there.
We've got ourselves a timber frame wall, which is going to be ready for our shower room. So the shower room's going in there. At the moment, looks like a jank hole. It's a dog room at the moment and whatever else.
Where's my glasses?
Go and find your goggles. Go on.
Say upstairs they are.
We are making a chicken, bacon, leek, mushroom, bake.
Never made it before.
Never made it before. Did you get your cream? Get your cheese?
Yes, I did.
So basically, bish bosh bash, some chicken, some bacon, some mushrooms, some leek in a pan with some cream, with some salt, with some pepper, with some garlic.
Chicken stock.
We'll chuck some chicken stock in it as well. We'll go in there with some goodies, paprika, whatever else. Give it a little spice. And then we're going to make some mashed potato. We're going to ding it in a Pyrex dish, in the oven, 40 minutes, make it nice and crispy and cheesy on top. And hopefully, fingers crossed, all goes to plan. We've got something very tasty to eat for dinner. Potatoes are nearly peeled. We're on to the last one. There you go, chopped up. Got to cut that one in half. You right? Watch your fingers. You right, son? Come out the way. Look at her, look. Look at her, boy. Oh, 4 eyes. Go on, girl. You like Dad?
Do I?
You look really intelligent.
She looks like Rocco.
They really does look like your cousin Rocco, actually. You look like my nephew Rocco, my sister's boy. He looks like his twin, actually. Thank you very much, my darling. Right, now we've got to use our chop. We'll cut them in half, and then it's time to clear this.
Chop, chop the squid, chop.
That moody washing machine.
Disappoint your father. Dad, this is
That's my washing machine. Look at it, leaking everywhere. Anyway, clear this up for me. Clear this up for me, thank you. Just stop singing, all right? You've got a beautiful face, but your singing voice is terrible. Leeks and mushrooms chopped up. It is now time for a bit of bacon and a bit of chicken. We've got to chop.
Not bacon, smoke.
Hold the pat for me. Right, mind your fingers. No, put it down. Hold the pat, the other side of the pat, that's it. There you go. And now do the same with the bacon. There you go, mind your fingers. That's it, sister. We are multitasking here. Come on. Did you say satisfying, darling? Right, do you want to do the duties of putting that into the pan? That's it. Was you trying to do that all like flamboyancy there and all that?
Satisfying.
Yeah. Is that what that is? Right, sit down, Bin. Sausage.
I just washed my
She's a
hands.
sausage, isn't she? She's a sausage. She's a little sausage. Right, pan's warming up. Obviously, we think, oh, there you go. Bit of smoke coming on. Cook the bacon first. You know you asked me a minute ago about oil.
Yeah.
Don't need it because of the fat in the bacon.
What do you mean?
Well, there's lots of fat. Look at all that fat. So
Yeah, what does that do then?
Well, that'll give me my fatness that I need. Instead of oil, we use the fat. All right. No, you need it. Fat's good for you, girl. Come on. Us in the Hanson's house, bruv. Trust me, fat's good for you. Right, we go in there with that. Once that's cooked off, we then add the chicken. We cook the chicken off. Yeah, but you're pregnant, man. You're pregnant. You're allowed to be fat.
You weren't even talking about me though.
No, I wasn't talking about you. Why did you laugh, bruv?
She said mum.
That weren't mum. You can't be saying that about your mum.
Don't say that about me.
Don't say about me, because the belly. Anyway, bacon, chicken, then we go in with the veg. We cook it down. Just do me a favour. Smell the chicken. Get the single cream out the fridge. Let's go. Come on.
What the single?
Potatoes are on the boil. Grate. Because you grate your finger in it, and I don't mind it in your fingers.
All your skin shavings in it.
If you cut your finger, I don't mind eating it, you know. I didn't make you. You know what I mean? Just be careful when you're running up and down, yeah? What?
They will cut your finger.
How cut your finger straight off? How do you think it's cutting the cheese, man?
Because it's easy.
What, and you think your finger's hard?
Yeah.
You're not indestructible, trust me. You will cut your finger. You will cut. Put your glasses on. That's it, Mrs. Intelligent. You can see now. Couldn't see what you was doing all this well, could you, a 9-year-old?
Need 10.
Need 10.
Double digits.
Double digits. Bacon coming on nice. Look at that. Lovely. Yeah, she is. Double digits.
I've got a 16-year-old.
16-year-old this year. We've got a 10-year-old this year. And we've got a brand new one this year.
And we've got 21 this year.
21, you?
I think we have a big birthday this year.
Is that what you are, 21? Your face says different, girl.
She's like 56.
Bro, why are you cussing my wife? Why are you cussing my wife? Don't cuss my wife. She's not even... She's 40 this year. You're 40 this year, because I'm 39. Right, you keep doing the cheese. You want loads of cheese. One, we're going to put it into the sauce. And then two, we're going to put it into the mashed potato on top as well. Lots of cheese, please. There's your chicken and bacon. Look at that. Lovely chicken and bacon. Smells lovely. Satisfying. Right, scoop some of that stuff in there for me while I hold it. No, start at the front. That's it. There you go. Watch it don't fall on the floor like it's already doing. Come on, sausage.
Such a liar.
No, be careful. This is what we do, teamwork, when we want to make a video indoors. We need multiple hands. Whoa, not the garlic yet. Leave the garlic for the minute. Go on. Garlic going in a minute when we had our stock. Get them bits of mushroom in. That's it, that's it, that's it. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. We're in. Time to mix it around. Bring me kettle of water, please. In we go, chicken stock. Leeks and mushrooms to cook down. Pour it in straight on top of the chicken stock. Go on, girl. That's it. Keep going. Got to make a sauce now. Keep going. Keep going.
6 inches later.
6 inches later. That'll do you for now. Right, now I'll put it on the side.
What?
Now you can do this. You've shaken it. Open the cream up. Be careful, it don't splatter everywhere, darling. Mix that around. There's your chicken stock in there. Get the flavours going on. Right, pour all of that in there. Yeah, pour it all the way around. That's it. There's a single cream going in. Well done. Do you know what they say? Oh, I burped then. Do you know what they say? Ding dong.
Ding.
There you go. Put that in the bin. I'll mix this around. We go in with some paprika. Paprika. Someone say a paprika. And then we're going to go in with some cheese as well. Some cheddar cheese. Oh, nice. Nice. Satisfying, yeah? All of that goes in there. You're going to have to make some more cheese up, I think, darling. Because this is going into the pot, and then you need some for your mashed potato. Please make me my cheese. Great, great. It is now time to make a mash of potato. Okay? Mash. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Right, be careful, that's hot pan. That's why it's sitting on there. Push down, mashy, mashy. Mashy, mashy. Mashy, mashy. Come on, bruv.
Mashy, mashy, mashy.
Come on.
Mashy.
I like to mash. I like to mash. I like to mash up the potato. I like to mash. That's all cooked. That is good to go. Now look at that. That is looking sexy. Now try the mashed potato, and then we're going to construct our beautiful dish. Let's have a look. All of that. Don't be shy. All of that, girl. Just pour it all in there. Come on. Nice helping of salt. Beautiful. A little bit more. Lots of potato in there. Bang. We go in with some pepper. Nice. Good. No, more. That's not enough butter, man. Come on, sister. More butter, more butter, need butter. And we're going to go in with some cheese in there as well. As I said, this ain't for the faint-hearted. Don't worry about it being January, trying to lose weight. My wife's pregnant. We got excuses. Innit, girl?
Yeah.
We got excuses. Reopen that for me, please. I need to have got one hand.
Oh,
Pour a little bit of milk in there, please. That's it. Keep going. Go on. Leave off. Get it in there. I know you don't. A little bit more. A little bit more, please.
Then I'm going to mash it.
A little bit more. Yeah, nice.
Ready?
Mix. Let's go.
I like to mash.
I like to mash. I like to mash. Oh, yeah.
I like peace.
Is that nice? She's gone with the mashed potato.
Oh.
Red, in there we go, please, lovely. Look at that.
Try this one.
Nice.
That's nice.
Have you tried that yet?
No.
Lovely. Right, let's try it.
It's so tasty. Try that with
I'll
that.
do it.
All right, mate. All right, mate.
You need to have something on it.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Like, you need to have some bacon or chicken on it.
That's it. We had bacon with our dips, didn't
Like
we?
what?
Right, come on then. Load it up. Let's go. Bring that old potato over here as well. You need that in a minute. Jim, get down, please.
I want
Yeah, bring that potato, stick it there. Dollop, dollop, dollop. It's all happening now. All hands on deck when it comes to construction time.
And then we'll show you the finish.
And then we'll show you the finish at the car. Stop eating the mashed potato, will ya? Bish, bosh, bash, in the oven it goes. She's still munching on the leftover mashed potato.
Mama.
I needed what she's eaten to go around the edges, but she's stuffed it in her face. So she's left me a little bit short, but that's all right, because that'll go nice and crispy around the edges.
I still like in there.
No, you eat it, darling.
Oh, yes, please, doctor. Yes, please. Give that another 5 minutes. 5 more minutes. Job done. Yes, 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 and yes, some more. Oh my gosh. She looking good, sisters. Nice. That is looking nice. Yes, boss. Very, very nice. I'm going to struggle with that, actually. I'm going to struggle with that, but I'm salivating. So let me grab a fork there. Let's have a little go on it here. Come on. Come on. Come on. That looks wicked. Give it a little blow blow.
Ooh, look at that. Sam, look at that.
Hot.
You've blown your mouth off.
Hot.
Oh, yes, come out.
She's in a bath. We're going to have dinner. Try it. The flavours in that are bloody lovely.